Hey guys, welcome to week 10. We are getting to the point in the semester where we're starting to kind of wrap up our speeches. We have about 2 speeches left on persuasion, and before we do that, we're actually going to be focusing on our manuscript assignment. So if you haven't found it in the book yet, it's on page 277. I have it right in front of me, and it is a kind of like a paper. Okay, so when you're writing your manuscript, you're basically writing out your speech word for word. That's what a manuscript is. Now, you will put in your citations like you would for your outlines, like according to Nassau or according to Smith. And you'll also indicate where you're going to show your visual aid. Okay, so please read this if you have not read it yet. I'm not going to read it to you. Okay, it's on page 277. Let me know if you guys have any questions on this. I really don't have like a paper example to show you because, you can go online and look up manuscripts for speeches. Like you can go anywhere and look it up. Like type in manuscript, speech manuscript, and some will pop up. There isn't anything specific. The format I want you to use is based off of any of the outlines for persuasion, which are in Unit 11. So once you figure out what kind of format you want to go with, then you'll write it. Okay. This is going to go with your speech 4 and speech 5 because it's the same topic, but specifically speech 4. Okay. So this is just your speech with the visual aid and your persuasive speech, with the visual aid. You're going to have an annotated bibliography. So it's 5 sources, just like the last speech. And you're going to need a cover page as well. Okay. So, hopefully reading this will make sense once you read it if you have not read it yet. If you have any questions this week, please just feel free to email me or call me. The only thing that's due this week is your rough draft of your persuasive manuscript. So I just want you to write it out. Even if you don't finish it, try to get most of it done if you can, just so I can get a good idea, make sure you understand what you're doing and that it makes sense. If you do, or once you do, I'll comment back and let you know what's going on and help you if anything sounds weird or if it's not working out correctly, okay? All of the reflection speeches are back to you guys. I graded them and you should have gotten the grade already. You guys did a really good job with that. So keep it up. We're in week 10. We're in the home stretch. I can't believe we only have about a month left really before finals. So let me know if you have any questions. Okay, have a good week.